Hello, good morning students. Children, we have an interesting activity in your science textbook which is given in page number 56 where it is written check out the stomata. Now you can see the picture of a potted plant where the leaves are covered with polythene packets. Okay. So what they have done, take a potted plant, you can do it yourself also at home, very easy. You have potted plants or maybe plants in the garden. Apply heavy layer of Vaseline on the top of a few leaves and cover them with a polythene bag. You all have polythene bags, so you take the plant and some leaves, you take Vaseline, you put Vaseline which on your lips, you use petroleum jelly, Vaseline, you put it on the at the top of the leaves and cover it with the polythene bag. Now apply a heavy layer of Vaseline on the underside of 4 or 5 other leaves and take another 4 or 5 plants leaves, and in that same you can do in the same potted plant you take another 4 or 5 leaves and their underside means below you put Vaseline, cover them with polythene. So you have 2 polythene bags, as you can see, 2 polythene bags. One on the upper side you will put the Vaseline, and one on the other underside of the leaf you put the Vaseline, and covered with the polythene bags. Now observe the leaves daily for a week. Do it at home. You can observe it, and what difference do you see and why? Now I tell you children, you will see what you will see. You will observe water vapor inside the polythene bag which has leaves with a heavy layer of Vaseline on the top of the leaves. You have done 2 types, isn't it? 2 packets you have taken, polythene bags. In one you have taken 2-3 leaves, and on the upper side you have put the polythene Vaseline, a layer of Vaseline, and you have covered it with the polythene bag. Another 4 or 5 leaves you have taken, and on the underside below you have put some Vaseline, or you take a lot of Vaseline and put it, rub it on the underside of the leaf and covered with polythene bag. Now what you will observe in 2-3 days, you will see the polythene bag which have leaves on the Vaseline, covered with Vaseline on the upper side, it will have water vapor in it. Okay, water vapor. You can see droplets of water on the Vaseline. You will observe water vapor inside the polythene bag, which has leaves with a heavy layer of Vaseline on the top of the leaves. This is because why on the leaves which have Vaseline on the top part is covered with water vapor? Because on the undersides of the leaves there are tiny pores called stomata. This I have shown you with the pictures and other diagrams, that the leaves on the underside, they have tiny holes or pores called stomata through which the oxygen and carbon dioxide pass, and also the water vapor is let out. Okay. Our tiny pores called stomata, they give out oxygen and water vapor during photosynthesis. Now they are giving, because plants is preparing food, they are giving out oxygen and water vapor, and the droplet of water is collected in the polythene bag. Now tell me children, why the other polythene bag which have leaves where the Vaseline is applied on the underside is not covered with water vapor? Because you have covered the pores, you have blocked the pores with thick layer of Vaseline, and so it is not able to let out the oxygen and the water vapor. So there are no droplets of water vapor in the packet or polythene bag. So you understood that stomatas are there on the underside of the leaf, and they give out water vapor and oxygen during the process of photosynthesis. So if you have blocked or you have covered the leaf underside with Vaseline, they will not be able to give out the water vapor and oxygen. But in the other one, you have only covered the upper part where there are no pores stomatas are underside, so they are able to take out or give out the oxygen and water vapor, so there are droplets of water in the polythene bag in the other one. Please do this experiment at home, try it out and let me know in the live classes that what you observed within a week. Okay, thank you children.